Have you taken your TSI yet? If you're enrolled at South Texas College, you probably have. Then again, sometimes you don't have to. Hey y'all, welcome to South Texas College Knowledge, where we help you make your college experience an exceptional one. Before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button below to keep up with our channel and turn on your post notifications to know each time we upload a new video. Today, we'll be talking about the Texas Success Initiative Assessment, also known as the TSI Assessment or TSI exam. We'll be going over what it is, why it's important, and whether you do or don't need to take it before enrolling in classes. The TSI assessment is a series of tests that help us determine if new students are ready to take college-level courses in the areas of reading, writing, and mathematics. What's cool about this is if you need to catch up a little bit on any or all the core subjects, we'll make sure you take those classes first. The assessment can be completed in two ways: in person at your testing site or remotely through the internet. And depending on your school policy, you may be able to receive your results as soon as you finish. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, do I need to take the TSI assessment before enrolling in college? It depends. If you plan to get an associate's or bachelor's degree, yes, the state of Texas requires that you take the assessment. On the other hand, students looking to acquire a certificate or occupational award, OSA for short, are not required to take the assessment. This is one of several ways in which you can be exempt from the TSI. Let's explore the others. If you're a military veteran or on active duty and you have served for at least 3 years before enrolling, you are exempt. If you're transferring from another school and your admissions office can confirm that you have completed courses there, you are exempt. If you've taken any of the following exams, the ACT, SAT, TAKS, for you millennials out there, or the Gen Z favorite, the STAR, you might be TSI exempt as well. It all depends on what you scored and when you tested. As always, the qualifications for each of these tests can be found on our website in the linked description. But let's say you're not TSI exempt and you have to take the TSI before enrolling in classes. Don't panic, we got you. Here are some things you need to know. Registration for the TSI can be done through the STC Marketplace. Exam fees will vary depending on how many portions you have to take. If you're taking it online, there is an added proctoring fee of $25. If it's your first time taking the TSI, you will be required to complete a pre-assessment activity, which you can find on the website. If you want to take the TSI in person, you can find a testing site at each of these campuses. If you want to take it online, you will first need to make sure that your computer can run the assessment. You can do this by visiting the website of a remote proctoring service, Examity, to check the requirements. Once you have your scores, you can begin the enrollment process with the help of an advisor. For more information on the TSI assessment and whether you need to take it, click on the link in the description to visit our website. If you found this information helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to turn on your post notifications to see each time we post a new video. We're always adding new content that will help you make your college experience an exceptional one. This has been South Texas College Knowledge, and we'll see you next time.